tonight we are learning more about how to protect yourself from real estate fraud. One woman thought she owned a home, signed a contract, paid her money, but she found out it was actually someone else's. Ellie Milliken explains what happened next.
Baldwin County's district attorney says Amy Merrick was scammed into paying Derek Bernard Jackson $45,000 to buy his property. She signed documents thinking it was hers. Then she got a letter saying it actually belonged to Jackson's sister.
The victim, by her own admission, made a poor decision not to take the copy of the agreement and read it very thoroughly herself, and instead she relied on what he presented.
Savannah Neal is the assistant DA for the Okmulgee Circuit Court. She says once the victim signed the document without reading it herself, Jackson gave her an unsigned quitclaim, which he never signed. Neal says Jackson took her money, then sold the property to his sister. When Merrick started getting mail addressed to Jackson's sister, she filed a report with the Baldwin County Sheriff.
The criminal part is the fact that he never intended to sell it to her, and he took the $45,000 from her.
Real estate attorney Ian McMullen says this kind of fraud is common and easy. He says this shows why the buyer should have an attorney.
Always use an attorney. If you're buying property, ask the attorney that you always want to get title insurance. So you buy a enhanced title insurance policy.
He also recommends signing in person.
If someone tells you, hey, I'm going to sell you this house, but I don't want any attorneys involved, you need to look for another house. Don't buy it. I mean, that's a major red flag if they don't want to have an attorney involved.
A Baldwin County jury last week convicted Jackson of fraud. He's now serving a 20-year sentence in prison. In Baldwin, Ellie Milliken, 13 WMAZ News.
Amy Myrick is still living in the home, but Jackson's sister legally owns it. Ian McMullen, the real estate lawyer, says Myrick has few legal options but could file a civil lawsuit to get the home.